there, I'm Sarah Maiga, your go-to real estate expert and associate broker of Maiga Homes with Keller Williams. If you're new here and interested in all things real estate, be sure to hit the subscribe button by clicking that little icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the video. I publish videos on a new real estate topic every week, and you don't want to miss anything. In today's video in my relocation series, I'm going to cover a question I get asked all the time. Why would I want to live in Michigan? So, here is my list of the top 10 reasons why Michigan is a great place to live. Reason 1, unique landscape. The official state motto, adopted in 1835, is if you seek a pleasant peninsula, look about you. Michigan has the distinction of having two separate peninsulas connected by the Mackinac Bridge, which was opened in 1957. What other state do you know of that the residents can utilize their hands to give directions to various locations? It's no wonder why a favorite nickname for Michigan is the Mitten State. Though the majority of Michigan is relatively flat, there are many surprises across the state. Examples are the sand dunes along the western coast of the Lower Peninsula and rustic rocky areas in the Upper Peninsula. Michigan is not a one-size-fits-all state. Reason 2, lakes, and more lakes. Michigan is surrounded by 4 of the 5 Great Lakes, and there are over 11,000 inland lakes throughout the state. If you enjoy water sports, you do not have to go far to find a venue. Michigan is ranked number 2 in watercraft registrations in the entire country, including motorboats, sailboats, and jet skis. If you want to enjoy the scenery, canoeing or kayaking down the rivers and smaller tributaries gives you a chance to be one with nature. Swimming is a popular summertime activity, while fishing tends to be a year-round event. What could be a more beautiful experience than watching the sun rise or set over sparkling water? Reason 3, local, state, and national parks. Whether you want a day trip to a local park or extensive camping or hiking, Michigan has the park for you. There are 5 national parks, over 100 state parks, and numerous local parks within the 83 counties. You can experience wildlife and nature along with beaches, camping, hiking, and biking. Reason 4, experience 4 seasons. Though some will jokingly say that there are days when you can experience all 4 seasons in one day in Michigan, the chance to participate in all 4 seasons is a reality. Springtime is renewal, and the trees and flowers budding and the grass turning green is always a joyful sight. Summertime is treasured, with the majority of the days being that perfect temperature. Fall brings out the crisp air and a bountiful array of colors. Winter can bring that soft blanket of snow to cover the ground. Each season has its own personality and a special set of activities for you to discover and enjoy. Reason 5, outdoor activities. Michigan has a plethora of things to do outside. Besides, the activities already mentioned like boating, swimming, fishing, camping, hiking, biking. Other ways to spend your free time include golf, skiing, water and snow, tennis, bird watching, organized leagues for kids and adults, baseball, football, soccer, and ice skating. You can find an activity that you already enjoy or try something new and exciting. Reason 6, cultural and sporting activities. If you're a fan of sports teams, you will find all the major leagues represented here. Do you enjoy gaming and entertainment? Then visit the many casinos across the state, many owned by Native Americans. If the theater or music piques your interest, there are various venues ranging from small, intimate locations to large concert halls. There are art, science, and historical museums for those that want to continue to learn. Who doesn't like to eat? You will discover all sorts of restaurants, from Coney Islands and family diners to 5-star cuisine. Reason 7, must-visit spots. Mackinac Island is a beautiful island located in the Straits of Mackinac between the Upper and Lower Peninsulas. This resort island is accessible via ferry and no cars are allowed. You can tour the island on bikes or horse-drawn carriages. Check out the Grand Hotel, visit historical sites and museums, and watch the fudge being made. Frankenmuth is a city located in Saginaw County with strong German roots and an old world flavor. Take a walk down the main street with the Bavarian-style architecture. Enjoy a chicken dinner at one of the 2 main restaurants and stop at the world's largest Christmas store. Sault Ste. Marie is located in the northeastern part of the Upper Peninsula, across the St. Mary's River from its twin city in Canada. A major attraction is to watch the freighters pass through the Soo Locks, traveling between Lake Superior and Lake Huron. Traverse City is a bustling city in the northwestern Lower Peninsula. Besides the shopping and dining adventures, the area is known for the Cherry Festival in July and all the sweet treats associated with it. Holland is just south of Grand Rapids and is a predominantly Dutch community. In spring, take a trip there to see thousands of tulips and the festivities without ever leaving the country. A drive along the coastlines will give you an opportunity to explore over 100 lighthouses. Some are still functional today and are full of nautical history. Reason 8. Outstanding higher education institutions. The most well-known universities in the state are part of the Big Ten: University of Michigan in Ann Arbor and Michigan State University in East Lansing. However, there are an additional 91 colleges and universities in this state. Half of these are private and half are public. Each school has its own personality and many other specific fields that are not available everywhere. Reason 9. History and cities. French explorers were the first European visitors to this great state back in the early 1600s. It became a territory of Britain in 1763. Michigan entered the Union in 1837, and then in the early years, iron, copper, lumber, and agriculture attracted the masses. In the late 1890s, the automobile industry began with Michigan being the dominant center. Major cities in Michigan include Detroit, Grand Rapids, Lansing, and Ann Arbor. Detroit is the largest city in the state and well known for the first automobile factory and Motown music. Grand Rapids is the second largest. Major furniture companies are located in the area, and it was the hometown of President Gerald Ford. Lansing is the home of the state capitol, with East Lansing being the location of Michigan State University. Ann Arbor is the home to the University of Michigan and the #1 ranked hospital in the state. Reason 10. Cost of living. Michigan is ranked as one of the most cost-efficient places to live and is lower than the national average according to bestplaces.net. The lower cost of living is also reflected in the cost of housing, which is almost 35% lower than the US average. Your dollar definitely goes further in Michigan. Hopefully this video gave you some great things to think about and why you would want to move to Michigan. If you thought today's video was exciting and want to learn more about our awesome state, be sure to check out the Pure Michigan website today. And if you think you're within a year of making a move, give me a call and set up a consultation today, as I create custom moving plans for all of my clients up to a year in advance. Plus, if I'm not able to personally assist you, don't worry, I'm part of a global real estate company and can find you a similarly qualified agent anywhere in the world. In fact, if you haven't yet had a chance, please check out another one of my videos on why you should get a realtor referral for an agent when relocating. It will teach you all about how realtor-to-realtor referrals work and what to expect when you ask me for one. Be sure to subscribe to my channel today and tune in to next week's question: the 7 most important things to consider when buying a home in a new city. You can also check out my other series on selling a home, buying and selling simultaneously, buying a home for the first time, new construction, and more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.